So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your Snapchat camera is just looking very weird or awkward when you're opening it up. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. There's never just one reason why this ends up happening. But the very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you don't have some sort of weird filter or something associated inside of your particular, lens. So you can see as soon as I swipe over, you can see I basically have this particular camera lens and you can see my camera looks very weird. Well, if I want to go and fix it, all you're going to have to do is just jump back and make sure you're on the right snap panel, because if you're not, well, that's going to be the problem. So as you can see, I can swipe all the way around and do all this stuff. But if you don't want that, you can always swipe to the side and just swipe all the way to the end right here to basically get back into your main panel. So that's one way to do it. Now, if that's still not working, you may want to take a close look at your particular camera lens. As you can see, this camera lens is, looking fine. But if I go and take a close look at it, there might be smudges or something alongside of it. So what I can do is grab a microfiber cloth or something and just clean out the lenses in the back, not with your fingers, but with an actual, cloth. And you might want to make sure that that's not a problem either, because for a lot of people, that might be the issue. And you might just want to go and make sure that's not the problem there either. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you may want to see if there's an update available for Snapchat. So you can make your way over into your app store just like this. And what you can do here is you can go ahead and basically go ahead and, click on the search button right here. And you can go and click on the search bar right here, and you want to just search up Snapchat. So search up Snapchat just like so, and all you're going to want to do here is basically just update your Snapchat application if there is an update available for it. So that's another thing you can do too, and those are basically the main things to go ahead and basically do. It's still not working, you can restart your phone, but that's basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.